Hello lovely people, welcome to today's math lesson. Now in today's video we are going to look at how to expand two linear equations. So in our previous video we looked at how we can expand linear equations in general. So let's dive in with that example to explain what I'm saying. Now with this particular example, we are going to begin by using the FOIL method, which means that our first term, which is the x, multiplies the whole of the first bracket in the 2 also does same with the other bracket. So we're going to have x, then we bring our bracket, then this is going to multiply the whole of the second bracket, which is x plus 9. Then we bring our next term out, that is the positive 2 or plus 2, that comes out. Then we also multiply this with the whole of the next brackets we have outside, which is also x plus 9. At this point we are just going to simplify, so we are going to multiply the term outside the bracket by the terms inside the bracket. Now x times x gives us x squared, then x times 9 gives us 9x. Then we move on to the next bracket. Now we have 2 in front of it, so 2, that is positive 2 times x, that gives us positive 2x. Then we have positive 2 multiplying 9, that gives us positive 18. So we are halfway through this. Now at this point we're just going to simplify or group like terms. Okay, so we just have 1x squared term, so we just maintain that. Then we have 9x and then 2x, we can add them, so that gives us 11x. Then we bring our positive or plus 18. Now at this point we can't simplify it further because they all have different terms. We have the constant, we have the x term, we also have the x squared term there. Now let's try a different example. So the first term gets to multiply the whole of the second bracket. Now take note, this time around we are not going to write all the terms, so we are just going to multiply them straightforward. So x multiplies the whole of this bracket, and then the 2 also multiplies the whole of the next bracket. Now x times x, that gives us x squared. So we are multiplying our first term, which is the x, by the whole of the next terms in the second bracket. Now x times x gives us x squared. Then the same x also multiplies the positive 3. Now x times 3 gives us 3x. Now we are going to move on to the positive 2. Now the positive 2 is also going to multiply the whole of the next bracket. So positive 2 times x, that gives us positive 2x or plus 2x. Then the positive 2 does same with the next term in the other bracket. So positive 2 times 3, that gives us positive 6. At this point we're just going to group like terms, or we're just going to simplify them. There is just one x squared term, so we are going to maintain that and write our x squared. Then we have 3x and then 2x. Add them. Yeah, so adding them together, that is going to give us 5x. So you just add the numbers in front of the x, then you just add the x to it. Then we have positive 6. There's only one constant, so we maintain that and we get our positive 6. So that is it. We can rewrite it as x squared plus 5x plus 6. So this is our final answer. So I would want you to try one example to see if you really understood what was said. So you are going to expand x minus 3 and then x minus 2. Let me know your answers in the comment section, and please don't forget to like, share and then follow to get updated on my new videos. Have a lovely day.